Over here, let's check out Eheim. Walking around to the other side, 75 countries. Great, awesome. What's going on, my reef fan? March here, Fragbox TV. We are in Germany, in Stuttgart, and we're about to check out a company you may have heard of. They've been around for 75 years. It is one and only, check it out, Eheim. Eheim, I think I'm saying that properly. It's actually named after the last name of the owner who started 75 years ago. This is an old one. This is a big one. We're at one of their many facilities here. There's 100 employees at this one. They make so many products, so many things that have been in the hobby forever. Like their heaters, they were the first to make canister filters. They were first to make, well, I'll let the CEO of the company maybe do a little bit more explaining, but they're over here in the showroom, and this is going to be quite the video tour. So like I said, over 100 employees at this location worldwide. They sell in 75 different countries and have over 800 employees. So it's a big company. Lots of production. They're making aquariums, they're making lights, they're making, if it goes with an aquarium, they make it, they produce it here, made in Germany. It's all made here, and it's really impressive. So I can't wait to share with you this video. It's going to be pretty cool. He's explaining to us over here, we have Jason from DistribuPet, who distributes it now in Canada. Everything's connected, so when you press the feeder, the auto feeder, it's going to turn off the filter. When the lights come on, if you're using their lights, it's going to turn up or turn down the CO2. So it's all connected, integrated into this one system. And it's really the only one on the market that works in that fashion. It's pretty cool. Shows the actual power consumption of each of them, which is really important if you live in the EU or in Germany. Electricity is very expensive here. We get it at a fraction of the price in North America. I think it's about 8 to 10 times higher per kilowatt. We're paying pennies. When you get over here, you're closer to 40 cents a kilowatt. So stuff like that really makes a big difference when you're trying to run an aquarium. The heater's going to take up electricity, the lights, the filter. We're not even talking about chillers, which draw a ton. Pretty cool too. It's 2-in-1. So this is a heater and chiller, and it's actually the only one in the world that you can do both with the same unit. Works for both fresh water and salt water. I've actually never seen it. That's a brand new one for me.
We have till we get a normal motor.
First canister filter ever. It's pretty cool. This is like a museum of aquarium equipment here.
Yeah. And
pretty prestigious awards. They have Brand of the Year that they've won on multiple occasions. This is what happens when you're in business for over 75 years. It's an institution. There's no way you keep an aquarium and you don't know or you haven't used a product from Eheim over the years.
You can choose what you need to
and you make it your own. If you're watching this video and you have a store, Eheim actually offers this setup display for free. The tank comes for free, all the display pieces. You buy the goods that are on it. They can customize it to what you need in the store. But if you're looking to set up a proper Eheim to get attention, they even give you the little tablet we were fooling around with over there so that your customers can kind of see and interact with the lights and equipment before purchasing it. That's all free as long as you buy the goods. Just reach out to Eheim. It's pretty cool. Walking around to the other side of the building, you start to get an idea of how big, like the actual scope of this company. It's walking through the showroom is one thing, and then you see the back end, the production, the warehouse. It's really big. It's a lot going on here. And you said 75 countries, so I can't even imagine how many stores carry the Eheim name in their with their products. This is the quality control.
Yeah, we check everything one by one.
On every single screw.
Yeah.
They're even showing us upstairs that they're testing the rubber inside containers of water to check for leaching of.
We produce by ourselves and we check it too. This is something that we make by ourselves. Yeah. And we check too. So everything produced by ourselves or made outside is checked 100%.
Yeah. Every single part of every product you sell is quality checked.
That's what it means to be German made.
Yeah. So you can see here we have the heater for the US.
Made in Italy.
Yes.
But that's one of Eheim's other factories.
Yeah. That's the Wi-Fi version.
Straight, substrate, sands, rocks, gravels, filter media. Pretty cool thing to see here. Even the plastic. This is the little bits of plastic that they use to make all the filters. As we can see, even that's being made in Germany. And this is their proprietary system where they're mixing it. And the CEO is telling me even he doesn't know the secret recipe to how these are being done. This is a trade secret on the science and magic behind the plastic, because if you test one of their canisters, you leave it for 10 years, you go and check the measurements down to the millimeters, it's not going to warp or change over time, and that's something you can't expect from products that are made, I'm going to say, in other countries.
So this is the biggest machine we have.
Wow, that's a machine.
We're producing aquarium cover, canister, and everything bigger size.
So this is injection molding?
Yeah.
Incredible.
So you see, the robot is coming up.
So when you buy any Eheim product and the package says made in Germany, it's actually made in Germany.
You're not kidding.
It's made right here.
That's incredible.
So when the mold opens here,
You see how long it takes? Because we need time to escape every single bubble of air
Okay.
out of the mold. So that's why also our canister never crack.
Why they last forever.
Yeah.
Do you have an appreciation for this coming from the tool and die world?
Yes.
You guys may not know that Jason is actually engineering background and started in tool and die, so. Wow, that's so cool. There he goes. That's how you move the molds. There's actually a 20-ton, let me back up here so I can show you, 20-ton crane just in order to move these the blocks for the molds for what they're making. That's crazy. Check it out, these are all the different canisters, all the molds. It's so cool to see stuff like this, because you go to a store like maybe Fragbox, or maybe whichever local store you buy at, and you pick up a product off the shelf that'll say made in Germany or Eheim product. You don't really get to see all this stuff, everything that goes into it, how much technology, how much science, how much work, how much precision, you know, all these things. It's quite impressive when you pick up a filter. They're really not that expensive. But all these intricate parts, like look at this machine, look at this crane, look at the plastic I just showed you, you know, that all come together to make a really great, awesome water filtering device. Check this out, all the molds, all held here in-house. This is their library of their own molds, their own pieces.
So we are able to reproduce everything that we made. That's why we can give the warranty for 10, 20 years. After we stop an item, we can still make some parts.
You can still make the parts forever.
Yeah.
You know where everything is in here?
No, it's not everything, but we have a lot here. We have another one that we are stored on the roof.
Our friend here has been here 21 years with this company. So that's how he knows the intricacies. Wow, that's a lot of molds. Jeez. And it doesn't stop. You guys are always, there's new products, there's new innovation.
Changing molds.
Because I was asking him, why do you have factories in Italy and over here and over there? Now I get it. Now that now I understand why everything, there's no way you could have everything in one location. Just physically, like we're going floor to ceiling. Look, they're all the way at the top. And that's it. You need the space.
So normally we don't talk about the name of the company. Yeah. We are making those
Pumps
parts
for dialysis.
Yeah.
So it moves beyond just aquarium filtering for your fish's poo. We're also filtering for people's blood.
Yeah.
Yeah, important work. That's pretty cool.
We make those things. We have two companies.
Someone says to you that the LEDs are made in China. They're what? Banana.
Yeah, exactly. The banana, we don't make bananas here.
We're not making bananas. We're making LEDs here in Germany.
Yeah.
Everything is made here. Don't believe the rumors, kids. So are they waterproof or water resistant?
Yeah, they are waterproof.
Waterproof.
Yeah, 67.
67.
IP67.
That's really cool. Are these marine or fresh?
You can use this for both.
And
we have marine. We have let me check. Fresh water. This is, you see here, fresh water, fresh daylight.
And these hook up to that same Eheim smart system where
Yes.
it's pretty cool.
All connectable.
Never seen anything like this.
What you see here, what we are making. This is the canister for the echo. Okay?
What a production.
So, it's the same procedure you see before, is only here.
Suctions are over on the next one.
Fresh off the press. It's still warm, like cookies right out of the oven. This is pretty cool right here. So all the plastic bits that come off from the production. Oh, thank you, robot. Thank you very much. These actually all get recycled, so nothing is going to waste. It's all going to get melted down and then used again. Very, very cool little machine here. I'm just in awe with everything I'm seeing, but this machine here is making the rubber mounts, like suction cups that you would use on heaters or pumps, but it doesn't just make it. It's all automated. There's actually no one here running it. The plastic comes in from that tube, it gets injection molded, and then the cool part over here, it even self-packages them into this little convenient retail 4-pack if you ever need replacement parts. So that's all done completely automatically. All storage here automatically filled with robots, like floor to ceiling. So freaking cool. I don't know if what I'm walking through is real or this is like a movie set. You know, just the size and scope of the building is just wow. And then you come around a corner and then you're just greeted with this. Hello. So this is warehouse storage of all the products.
Yeah, and you can see we have everything here.
Incredible. Who's the biggest, what country is the biggest consumer of Eheim? Yeah.
Germany still.
Still Germany?
Yeah.
And then outside of Germany?
Outside of Germany, we have Canada, we have USA.
Not Canada. Canada is
No, USA. Sorry. We have
Working
Japan.
on it, working on it.
We have Japan.
Japan.
Yeah. Followed by USA and now France.
Nice. That's a lot of products.
This is the new light, RGB.
Open it slowly.
So we have here 5,000 storage here inside.
5,000 pallets.
Yeah.
And behind door number 2?
Number 2, we have approximately 6,000.
Oh, this site's bigger. Just incredible.
Because we have another high.
Oh wow. This is like a cathedral.
Yeah.
This is like the church of pallets.
Yeah. So we have here 18 meter.
How do you get them? You climb?
There is a machine there.
That's a forklift. Wow. That is a forklift. Also made in Germany?
Yes.
Nice.
It's a Linde.
Linde. Oh,
Yeah.
that's the best kind.
Yeah.
Or it can spin around and pick it up this way.
Smart. I think you need one of these.
Yeah.
Jason has a, I thought, fairly large warehouse. I don't mean to say anything about your warehouse, but this is a tad bit bigger.
This is a grown-up version.
This is the big. This is not the Mickey Mouse. I'm sorry.
In and out.
I'm sorry. I'm laughing, but I don't know where it stops. So this hole here is actually the railway system to connect the skids. Yeah. Why wouldn't you have that makes complete sense. It's just I would never.
Get out here. It's not possible. You know, even this.
Yeah.
machine
What are you
cannot
gonna
get
do? How do you?
They can't get
It's
the
not
pallets.
possible.
How else would you do it? That makes. Yeah. That's the smartest thing ever. Railway, like 10 meters high. Cool.
So as the company grew, they had to make do with the space they had.
As it grew, yeah.
So that's why you cannot even drag this thing here out. It's not possible.
You guys, yeah, it's not very wide.
Yeah.
It's very innovative, very forward
It's all
thinking.
fire door because we need
Oh, the fire rating. Yeah.
to save
So
it.
if you ever pick up, you go to the store, you grab a Eheim heater, and you see the price on it. You know, that's however many, 30 euro, 40 euro. Just remember everything you're seeing today, what goes into the production of one little item like that. It's actually quite a bargain. They're not, I wouldn't say they're the most expensive on the market. They're not the least expensive, but for what you're getting, what's the warranty like on a heater?
Quality for life.
It's 3 years on a heater?
3 years.
3 years. It's a lot more than what we have, like our standard in Canada. A lot of things, it's just 1. Yeah, 1 year it's not much.
Sometimes it's impossible to explain because you have no place.
But do you ever say, you know what? I think that's enough. 75 years, we have enough products. I think we'll just
No,
produce what we have now,
No.
and we'll.
We make that mistake in the past. But with me, since I'm here, we are developing step by step. And we still have a lot of product that we'll bring in the future.
Still inventing.
Yeah.
Still
Innovating. Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. So you see,
That they actually cut the roof in this section to add height to implement this system, which is an automatic, robotic storage system of parts. And so I think those things over there move across the tracks.
Yeah.
Those are the robots, and then they'll dig them out. They'll actually get the parts. How high are we here? How many feet or meters are we?
Like 7.
If you're watching this Tidal Gardens, this part of the video is for you. I know you've been thinking about doing something like this. This is so cool. The view. Incredible. Got the microchips.
Yeah, we are flashing the the ship, put in the new, it's closed.
Every single
Because
pump
it's running, it's the test, yeah. And you cannot open it.
every single pump that goes out gets tested.
Yeah.
It's incredible. The quality control is just wow.
Yeah. We test everything. We test electricity, we test water flow, and we should also test which size of the pump have the best water flow.
Got it.
Yeah. So we secure it in the pump so that the pump will always start with the right direction. So that's why when you have an Eheim pump, when you start it, you start to calibrate to find himself first, and okay, this is the right direction, and then we start from there of the raising.
Crazy.
So we are sure if you want break, the other one keep the thing to the
Power supplies. Incredible.
yeah. Refuse.
For the pumps.
So if it's something burns, it cannot be Eheim.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
This is where they're winding the copper for the pumps.
All the wire. That means, like we were saying before, we have 6 different kind of pumps. When we have one pump, we have 6 different types. US, Canada, US, Canada. We have Japan. We have Australia. Europe. And you have a certain industrial. No.
Fighting the urge. Really fighting the urge to like touch everything that I see here. That's crazy. Wow, it's so fast. Incredible.
And you see quality is handmade. Have inside Eheim many of those noise chamber where we test the noise. Air pump, normal pump, biggest canister filter.
So this is like sound deadening material?
Yeah. So
Sorry, I don't know if I should be touching it.
the maximum thing that we allow inside Eheim is 38 to 39 decibel.
Wow. It's
We
pretty,
have
that's
something
pretty
with-
quiet.
Yes, we have something that go over, like some pumps, but we have maybe 2 or 3 pumps. That's over this minimum set. But all our product should have 38, 39 maximum.
Cool.
Laboratory, everything we test. And this is where we test everything. Every single pump that we produce in our life is here. All the canister filter. Or even air pumps.
And you test it with actual live fish, with live animals.
Yes.
Yeah.
And before we put a product on the market, it should run here minimum 6 months to 1 year
Before it's released. Wow.
before you release to the market.
Some serious quality control.
Yeah.
The other gentleman was telling us here, like you even test the rubber.
Yeah, we test rubber to see if there's any leakage, any nocive material that is getting out of the
Any
ceiling.
sort of chemical that's going to hurt the
Yeah,
fish.
yeah, we test everything.
So
Even
substrates.
even substrate, we test it. Every delivery, not only once a lifetime, every delivery.
Batch to batch.
Batch to batch, we test it.
Because it can change, right?
Yeah, it can change. So to avoid that we get any something that's not right.
So I think he was saying that some of the some of the items that'll leach out is copper, phenols.
Yeah.
I forget what some of them were.
Phenol,
that are very,
compost,
very toxic.
Yeah, they're very toxic. Yeah, and,
Ends up slowly killing your fish. It'll
yes. And sometimes the people don't understand where it's coming from.
Why it's dying.
Because
It's-
they buy the banana from China or wherever they get it, and they don't make some kind of test.
It could be inside
And,
a pump or a hose or anything.
Yeah,
Anything
it
from.
can come from everywhere. And you see that we have different kind of setup here, so we can test every kind of setup that people have. Marine, normal one, cichlid, no cichlid,
Different types of fish,
different type of fish,
different substrates,
different
reptiles,
size,
turtles.
turtles, yeah,
Oh yeah, turtles too.
turtles,
I
cohabitation,
don't even know what's in here.
yeah,
Some
reptiles,
reptiles.
yeah.
Incredible.
Yes, we were saying some of these chemicals can build up in the liver
Yeah.
of the fish.
Yeah.
And it might only kill the fish in a year from now.
Yeah.
And you might not. And he said it's more effective because of the housing, that there's more reflection.
Yes, we
of
have,
the
we have
radiation.
a reflector like a mirror inside.
Right.
You don't see it here, but the girl put the mirror, is a mirror inside.
Oh,
so
okay.
that no light get lost.
Right.
No light get lost. Every light go forth and back.
Instead of being made of plastic or something.
Yeah.
It just bounces the light around.
Yeah.
3-year warranty on this Aqua UV. And something he was telling us, 27 different engineers worldwide. So these things are very, very much designed and planned out. 27. Imagine 27 minds working on one project. Trying to use a word that's different than incredible, because I keep saying it over and over again, but I'm really I'm in awe, I'm in shock with what we're seeing here. Fam, that's it. We're going to wrap up this video. I'm still in shock. It was really, really cool. Thank you very much for taking the time. It's not every day you get the CEO of the company to walk you around and do a tour. This is one of 5 factories. So I think we really saw the tip of the iceberg today of what Eheim is doing and what they're capable of. One of the coolest things I think he said to me is they don't pursue patents anymore. We're just going to talk as we walk out, because can you say it again? Because your words were the best.
It's very easy. We just speed innovation, because innovation is the best protection.
That's it. Innovation is the best protection. I think that's a good segment to wrap this up. If you guys ever see Eheim products or made in Germany, I think we have a complete together. We all now have a new understanding of what that is. Anyways, we'll see you back here on the next episode. We're going to Interzoo, Nuremberg. We'll see you there. We'll see more of Eheim, and thanks for watching today's video of Fragbox TV. Bye for now.